like I'm floating through.
Hey guys, hosting is Sandeep back again. So it's this time of the year where most of them are free or want to go somewhere, explore holiday season. So where am I? Let me just show it to you. Well, I think this should do. I think this should tell you a lot. I think most of you might have guessed it already. This is KRS. Yes, I am at KRS. I've been coming to Mysore. I've been making it a point to visit Mysore. I mean, I've been coming here every year, at least twice I come. But I've been coming for the last 4 years. Never I've been able to come here. So today I thought, why not just come? So, but the water level is not that much. It's not that deep. But yes, there is quite a lot of water I can see. Can you see that? This is fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and fly the drone. Secret rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bike there and try and get access to that place. So it'll be nice if we get some drone shots over there. That's the overall idea right now. Let's see if we can do it. Hey guys, so I'm here at the backwaters of KRS. We'll see if I can. Alright, so we've come to. Wow. The idea is to go there, somewhere over there. Yes. Wow. Look at the gushing sounds of water. Oh my god. As you all know, I'm scared of waters. Oh my god. I'm not someone who is used to all this. I like seeing water, but only from a distance. I'm never someone who would go there and would get into water. No, I just don't. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, whoa. Too much water flowing around. Wow.